Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Another Super Bowl is coming up this weekend, and if you are the host for the sporting event, you'll be wondering what to serve. There are so many options to choose from, but you don't have to make it complicated. Serve your friends a classic. Well, a sporting event classic, like chicken wings. Now what you need is a delicious sauce like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Mango Chipotle Wing Sauce. Not overly spicy and packed with tons of flavor, this is a great sauce for your wings, but also for chicken breast. It's easy to make and will definitely be a touchdown. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium pot over medium heat, we'll combine a mango nectar, brown sugar, pureed chipotle in adobo. Now if you want a great kitchen tip, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll also add butter, fresh squeezed lime juice, pressed garlic, and chipotle chili pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients very well, and when it gets like this, we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer until the sauce thickens, whisking often. We want the sauce to be thick enough so it sticks to the wings. Therefore, the cooking time might be between 30 to 45 minutes. We'll pour the sauce over the cooked wings and mix it well. I have an amazing recipe for baked chicken wings and drumettes, so click on the top right corner of your screen. And my friends, this is our Mango Chipotle Wing Sauce. Slightly sweet with a bit of heat, this sauce is great on chicken, but it also pairs very well with pork. If you're looking for a tasty and flavorful new sauce, this is definitely the one to try. Easy to make with a beautiful combination of ingredients, it will excite everyone's taste buds. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!